The guy who we called just isn't able to answer all the questions. So they have some more questions for you.
Hold on, buddy. Let's step in that office with lights off. Okay. So what's your name?
Kelly.
What's going on, man? Where'd you get this check from?
I received the mail for a alarm system that I put for Paul in the house that he got in the area.
Okay, where's the house out in the area?
I really don't know the address. I just do the work with the people at the
Who? So, all right, make that make sense again to me. You do what?
I help people put in alarm systems in houses.
All right, what company do you work for?
I don't know the company.
What's your business?
I don't know. A friend of mine texted me saying if I needed some money so I could get some money because I don't got a job. So he said if I could help him doing alarm system for Paul so I could get some bread out of that.
What
And
kind of alarm
then
system?
yesterday I just received that through mail.
You received it through the mail.
Yeah, I received
For
it through the mail.
$7,000.
Yeah, I just received it through the mail, and I came in just to check if it was good, if it wasn't bad, because it was weird for me that the amount of it. The amount of it, I even called him and I said, "Oh, this is too much money. Like, that's weird. I received it through the mail." And I just came by to verify if it was good, if it was bad, or
So
something.
if I ask them, these checks aren't going to be reported stolen or anything, right?
Well, I assume that they're not, because I just received it through mail.
Okay. Find out why I got flagged.
Is there something wrong with it?
Yeah, we got called for a fraud. So something's wrong with these checks.
Fraud? I assume that it's not a fraud because the friend of mine was the one that called me to get some money because I really need money because I don't got a job right now.
All right, where are you living?
I'm from Puerto Rico.
So where's your friend?
Huh?
Where's your friend?
I don't know. I just went to get the check and then I just left. Am I in trouble or something? Because I haven't.
Until we figure out what's going on here,
I haven't done nothing wrong. I just.
you're detained as of right now.
Checks are being brought into different banks from South Carolina, right?
Yeah, in Augusta Road in South Carolina, our TD Bank up there. There was two more down
Two
here.
more down here, all at
Because
the
pretty
same
much what
time.
we do is we get notes. Like we have a system that we can see if any fraud comes in, and we can put it out on our system for each account. So the phone numbers were changed today. The accounts were changed today. The guy, which oddly enough was able to answer some of the questions on the profile, but when we asked him about his email, he didn't know it. Now there was no email on the account. He was like, "Oh, I don't remember which one I used," but there was nothing on the account. The customer's in Brooklyn, but we can't find the actual number for the customer. We just have whoever we're talking to. And the guy was getting really aggressive on the phone. I'm like, "Dude, it's a check for $7,500. I just want to make sure I'm giving money to the right person." And he's like, "No." He's like, "The check's good." He's like, "I'm done answering your questions." And I'm like, "I'm helping you out." So right there, that's a red flag for us also.
All right, Kelly. Let's restart this. So I'm going to read you something, buddy, okay? These are your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say may be used against you. You have the right to talk to an attorney, have him or her with you now anytime you're in question. Now, for an attorney will be appointed to represent you. These are rights of mine. You want to talk to us?
Huh?
You want to talk?
I've
With-
done nothing bad.
Question, do you want to talk, yes or no? Okay. Let's restart this conversation. So, Kelly, where'd you get a check from?
I don't mind asking me if I wanted to get some money.
Your friend or you?
A friend of mine. I don't really know his name. He never gave me his name. I just called him Cuba.
So Cuba called you.
Yeah,
But, so Cuba said you want to make some money.
if I wanted to make some money.
Where'd you meet Cuba?
I met him at Orlando.
Okay. Where'd you meet him and get the check today?
Orlando.
Orlando?
Is it today?
Yeah, it was today.
So what do you ask you to do?
He just said, just take this check, go to the bank, and say you want to cash it.
Okay. How much did he say you can get from it? If you cashed it?
I think it was like maybe one.
One what?
Just one.
1,000?
Yeah, 20.
So the problem is, man, it's fraud. It's a fraudulent check. So I mean, the person that are you able to identify Cuba?
Yeah.
Like do you know like his name? Like you don't know his
I
first name.
don't
So
know
it's
his
Cuba.
name. Nah, I don't know his name.
But you can identify him if they found him.
Yeah,
How do you know?
I just met him through Instagram.
You got his Insta?
No, not really.
You can pull up the messages.
Yeah, I deleted the messages, and after that, I just couldn't get his Instagram no more. Like,
You don't have the messages anymore?
no. I deleted everything.
But you met this guy on Instagram, right?
Yeah.
So he don't know you from the next guy up the street.
Yeah. I
So
know.
why, if he's got these stolen checks, is he gonna give them to you and be like, hey man, come bring me back all the money, I'll give you some? It don't make no sense, right?
I just trusted him because I needed the money so I could help my mom.
Yeah, I'm saying, why would he trust you?
I don't know.
He probably wouldn't, right?
I don't know. Maybe he wouldn't.
He probably wouldn't.
Yeah, maybe he
So I
would.
think it's a major story.
No, I'm not making. I'm not gonna make.
You got his phone number?
Yeah, I do got his phone number.
Let me see those
You got the
messages.
text messages? You show him. Does it have a conversation in there?
Not the type of conversation of today. I've never been in trouble my whole life. Like, I've never.
Hey, can you translate this for me?
I'm feeling nauseous right now.
Can you translate that?
You got something that I can throw up? Did I hear that asking? I've never been in trouble my whole life.
White Cherokee and a blue Chevy Impala.
You're good, dude. Relax.
Mary 13.
Relax, bro.
I'm trying. I'm just really nervous. I never.
Do what?
What about Wells? Probably Wells Fargo.
Yeah, cause
In the trash can, dog. How many checks you got? Just one.
So he's talking about opening another account. Another account with Calvin. Something with direct deposit. And he's asking if we can open another account right now.
yeah, cause he said if I wanted to do some direct deposit, and I said no. I don't trust no direct deposits. Cause most of the direct deposits they fraud some stuff like that. So I was like, I think I lose my account. After
Who's
that.
Calvin?
Kelvin is a friend of ours.
Where's he at right now?
He's out of Atlanta.
We just opened up another account and just talking about what time is a check.
I haven't eaten nothing. That's why I can't throw up. I'm about to get arrested right now.
Probably, yeah. To be honest.
Hey, look at me. Relax. Listen, this is how this works. You're gonna go right now just for trying to cash a fraud check, alright? But if you talk to her, I can't make any promises, but if you talk to her, X, Y, and Z, this might be bigger than just you feel me?
Relax, bro.
No, it's suicidal stuff, right?
No.
Alright, can they send it, bro?
You said you don't have a car here, right? You no car, no bike, anything we need to look after.
Alright, just leave your jacket there. Turn around. Relax, dog.
You got somebody you want us to call?
Mama?
Anyone around 30? Just more felony. Traveling over.
Kelly, anything on you?
On my wallet, in my pocket.
Alright, hop on in. So, hey, Kelly. Kelly, listen to me. Relax. Breathe. Catch your breath real quick. Relax, you ready?
Alright, I'm trying to watch the front and the back.
We need,
but, yeah, he went inside.
basically, we need you to tell us what's going on with this. You know more than you're telling me.
Yeah, they were coming from
The best thing in this situation is honesty. Honesty goes a long way.
Okay.
Alright? All you're in trouble for is trying to write a forged check. You're trying to cash a forged check. That's all it is. It is a felony, but that doesn't mean anything. Depending on what happens with CID and stuff, they might not do anything. It's up to them, okay? But this is something you need to be upfront and honest. If you know who Cuba is, even if it's your homeboy, whatever, dog.
No, it's not a homeboy of
But
mine.
you feel what I'm saying? It's just time to be truthful, man. Alright?
I will.
It's your ass on the line, not nobody else's. That's why he's having you do it.
I'm just saying, he's running